Hello guys, today I will show you how to debug FPS and batches after building the game for PC. You need to first go to the project setting and go to the quality and set it this value as a -1 resolution scaling, and we scene count it as a don't scene. So they did not stuck in 60 FPS. When you put it here, every v blank, then is stuck on 60 FPS. So then create a empty game object and just rename anything, and after importing the package, then folder is created here. Then go to here and just drag this script into this game object and set toggle key, any keyboard key you can set here. I set here for testing purpose, backspace. So after setting this only, then go to the file setting, build setting, and tick this one, development build, tick this one, and also create debugging, tick this, tick one also. Don't forget to tick this one. So you untick this, then script is not working. So just push build, and then go to the here and select any folder and select build, save it. Building is done. Then go to here, and I added like 9 cubes and the light. So let's see the tested. I click backspace. Yes, FPS is coming also, and the render objects app batch is also coming, like 9 cubes and one light. So it's coming perfectly. Thank you guys for watching the video. Stay classy.